Hello friends, today I'm going to show you these two multifunction automatic watch, model number M171S and M172S. They are using Seagull ST25 multifunction movement. The diameter is 40 mm and the thickness is 14 mm. Okay, let me show you the M172S first. You can see the dial have beautiful textured guilloche and a radio pattern on it. Two small dial for calendar and the power reserve. Flying wheel window is on the 6 o'clock direction. The crown, you can win the crown to control the power reserve. And the set button here to control the calendar dial. The sapphire crystal glass is a little curved. It's not flat. And back side is the exhibition back. You can see the movement. And the genuine leather strap. And the M171S. The difference is the red dial is weak. You can control the two small dial by press these two side buttons here. Let me show you. It's a very beautiful